We're going to show you how to connect your HP OfficeJet Pro 8020 printer series to the network. We will use the control panel. So let's head over to the control panel. Currently, the printer is not connected to any network. You can see the wireless LED is blinking. So let's swipe down from the control panel. Select wireless. It is not connected to any wireless networks. Select yes to connect the printer now. We'll select the network Technology Tips 5 GHz. Enter the password for the network. Once the network password is keyed in, select OK. The connection is successful. You are now connected to Technology Tips 5 GHz network. So this is how you connect to a network for your HP OfficeJet Pro 8020 printer series using the control panel.